So today's quite a nice, cold, very nippy winter morning, and I thought I'd take the bike out, but unfortunately the battery was flat, and my jump starter pack was flat, so it hasn't been a very good start today, unfortunately. But luckily one of my neighbours rolled up in his Range Rover and gave me a jump start. Then we had a little chat, but that was cool. I got rescued. So the roads are a little bit greasy today, a little bit nasty, very salty. My bike's not liking it at all, it doesn't like salt. Doesn't like getting too salty. Oh, manhole's over there. But overall, it's a very nice day. And luckily I got my hand muffs on because it is absolutely freezing. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick ride down here up to Virginia Water, and I'm going to take the drone as well and get some nice view. Oh, look, oh, nails in that one. No, stop over here. It'll be my tyre that goes through that. Goes through my tyre and I'll lose another one. And here we are, Virginia Water. Now there's a gap to squeeze through there for a motorcycle, but I'll take one just in case you have to pay. Motorcycles free in designated areas, cars and cycles £100. It is free, boys! That's what I'm talking about. Let's squeeze through. So where the motorcycles park up. Ooh, motorcycle parking. Oh, that's what we're talking about. I'll have a slice of that lemon. Do I park forwards or do I park backwards? Yeah, let's park backwards. Looks more professional. Wiggle back. Although I don't like how they've got these sort of thief hiding retention wall here, so anyone trying to nick your bike will be all undercover. It's free, so it's better than how much I paid last time.